Hey, welcome back to Come On In, We're Cooking. It's Suzanne here, and sorry, have to adjust my camera. All right, hope everybody's doing all right. Today I'm making some butter tart filling. Believe it or not, I only just found this recipe in my grandmother's old cookbook, and basically it tells you basically nothing about the instructions, just what to do. And what I've decided to do, I cannot make pastry to save my life. So I buy the frozen pastry. So the last time I did these, I did them in the regular tart shells, but this time I want to make some mini ones. And so that's what I'm doing. This recipe will make 12 regular tarts, and I'm assuming the recipe should make 18 of the minis. So far in my bowl, I have 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'm going to add my raisins. Now, just so you know, I'm going to show you, I mixed half sultans and half golden. I don't know why, I guess I just wanted to use a little, combination of both. So that's what I did. And now, sorry, I need to stay on my list because sometimes I get distracted and forget what I've done. So it's 1 teaspoon of butter, and my teaspoon measure is in the wash, so I'm using the half, which is why I'm doing 2 here. And all right. And then we need to add 1 cup of brown sugar. And my 1 cup measure is right here. And I'm just going to actually wipe it out just because I thought there might be something on there. And sorry about that. That's what happens when you're cooking in your own kitchen. All right. So, usually I pack my brown sugar. It doesn't say that, but I'm assuming that most recipes with brown sugar call for it to be packed, so that's what I'm going to do. And get that all there we go. Looks lovely. Get that in there. For some reason, I have never made these until just recently. I found the recipe going through my cookbooks, and what I did is I had photocopied and binded the recipe book and made books for all of my cousins, as this was, at least all the female cousins, and my sisters, so everybody would have something out with my grandmothers. So anyway, I found that, and I know it didn't say, what to do as far as instructions, but I figured I could figure it out quite easily. So that's what it's actually, the recipe worked out so good. My husband was actually quite impressed, considering, as I say, I left these to my mother to make because she used to make her own pastry. Now, as far as the pastry goes, she tried to show me, and I think you really need to love pastry. I'm not a huge pastry lover, and so for me, not something, I tend to gravitate to the things I love to eat rather than anything else. So that aside, so now what we're going to do is, here's our lovely mixture, and it says to mix until it bubbles. So it's bubbled a little bit, but I'm just going to mix it a little bit more. I made sure that the butter got incorporated. And now I'm going to find, I think that's too big. So in my measuring cups that I ordered, this set comes with a 1 1/16 cup. So that's what I'm going to try here, and put them, and then we'll see what happens once we get some in all of them. If I have leftovers, then I can top some of them up. This smells fantastic. I can't wait to eat them. So the last time that I baked these, they took about 15 to 20 minutes. But what we'll do is I will actually pay better attention this time, seeing as I'm going to post this video, and I will let you know and show you what they look like once they come out of the oven. So basically what I've done is I thawed the pastry last night in my fridge so that, oops, I'm making a mess now, you guys. Sorry, my house, I'm not taking this to anybody, so I will lick. So this might be too much for one batch. Oh, maybe not. I can see that I could add some to some of the others. Let's see here. This is, I just wanted to try it because this is perfect if you're having a dinner party or you know, a summer party and you just wanted something not so difficult to make, that you could just make this ahead the night before and they would be ready to go. Ooh, look at that, I almost missed one. Alright, so now I should learn next time not to wear a shirt with long sleeves like this. Well, and they're not really that long, but okay, hang on here. Sorry everybody, I'm feeling a little bit out of my element because I'm trying something new on video for the first time. And alright, so let me get my spatula again. I'm gonna just, I know, there's eggs in there. I shouldn't do that. But tastes yummy, just so you know. Okay, so right now I have my oven on at 350, I believe. Oops, sorry, 375. So let me just turn that down. And we'll get that. Okay, so I don't have, there's not much left here, but just a little bit of the sauce. So we're going to set that aside. So this is what, oh, a raisin. Sorry, everybody. Easily distracted. Pardon me. So there they are. They're going to go in the oven now. And I will let you know, or I'll come back, sorry, in a few minutes. I'm just taking a couple of these raisins out if I can manage to do it without making too much of a mess. I'm plopping them. There. All right, in they go for 15 minutes, and we'll see what they look like on the way out. Hey everybody, I'm back, and our little mini tarts are all done. And let me see if I can bring them a little closer for you to check them out. I think they were a little too full, but for the most part they look fantastic, and they just came out of the oven, but I'll see if I can try one. One sec. Grab a plate, and I'm gonna, because they're hot, I'm gonna use a knife and fork. And let me see, I'm gonna do this one here, all nice and gooey. Let's see. See if I can get you a close up. Oh, looks yummy, doesn't it? Okay. Not very graceful with this. I don't think that's going to work very good. I know, this is not so much fun watching me struggle. But let's see. That is hot. Yum! So good. So good. Okay, everybody, that's it for the butter tarts. So remember, you can make 18. If you do your own pie crust, you might be able to get maybe 20 because these were a little bit over full. Or you can get for sure regular size tarts and you'll get 12, no problem. So, I don't know what's next on the menu for what I feel like cooking, so we'll see you on the next video. Thanks everybody.